Hey everyone, it's Will here at Hemans and we're in the greenhouse, and it's a scorcher going on right now outside, and so you got to be making sure that you're staying well hydrated, but we also got to worry about our plants as well. So as we're doing this, I want to give you a refresher in case you guys ever forget to water them. Sometimes what happens, just like your sponge at home, if you don't use it very much, your soil will actually compact, and then it makes it very difficult to get the water back in there because it's so tight it just beads off. If that's the case for you, what you want to do is you want to take this hanging basket, which we didn't let this hanging basket just go dry. This one was one that came back to us, so it's not in the best condition, but you can see as you go on the edge that the soil has completely pulled back away, and this is bone dry, and so this is a tall tale sign that this soil has lost all of its compaction. It's also got sunburn on it. But if this is the case for you, where it's all cracked and super pulled away on the edge, what you want to do, it's light as a feather. Instead of just trying to get the water into it, what you do is take any dish. So this is just an actual dish that you might have, and you're going to put that one underneath the basket. If you don't have a dish, heck, even the lid from your garbage can will do. What you want to do is take that, just set it there, take your watering can, water the basket, but not only the basket, make sure you fill the whole dish all the way up with water, just like so, and then just leave it for a couple hours. And what this will do is it'll allow the plant to soak back up, and you'll get the capillary action of the soil pulling the water up, and that'll help to recharge so that going forward through the rest of the summer, it will be able to hold all the water that it needs so that it doesn't dry out and your plants stay happy, cool, and healthy, just like you.